Does the glorious Quran state that the Holy Injil is guidance for all mankind?
No, the Holy Quran doesn't say that the Injil is a guidance for mankind. Nor does the Bible say that. You see, Jesus Christ, when he sent out his disciples on the mission of preaching and healing, he instructed them. He said, "Go ye not into the way of the Gentiles, and into any city of the Samaritans enter ye not, but go ye rather unto the lost sheep of the house of Israel." I want to know where the American Anglo-Saxons fit in as the Jews, the house of Israel. Then he's telling a Jewish woman, a Greek woman comes to him, wanting her daughter to be healed. So he turns his face away. She goes on the other side and she won't let him go. So the disciples say, "Help her, this woman is persistent." You know, like a drowning man clutching at straws, drowning women do the same. Heal her child. So Jesus says, "I am not sent but unto the lost sheep of the house of Israel," the Jews. So they say, "Help her." Jesus says, "Do not throw the bread of the children to the dogs." Who are the dogs? The Gentiles, you and me. Every other human being other than the Jews are dogs and pigs, according to Jesus, or according to your scripture. It says, Jesus says, "Do not throw that which is holy unto dogs. Do not throw pearls before swine, lest they turn and rend you." Who are the dogs and who are the swine? The Gentiles. So he says, "Do not throw the bread of the children to the dogs." The woman in desperation, her child's life is at stake. She says, "Lord, Master, even the dogs have crumbs from the Master's table." So he said, "Give her the crumbs." Look, this is the scripture. Unfortunately, the scripture is not being quoted. The scripture quotes what Jesus said. I'd like to hear what Jesus said. Jesus says not about this supposed idea that you just believe and you will be saved. He said, "Verily, verily, I say unto you, except your righteousness exceed the righteousness of the scribes and the Pharisees, you shall by no means enter the kingdom of heaven." There's no heaven for you unless you are better than the Jew. And I'm asking, how can you be better than the Jew by not keeping the laws and the commandments? You answer that.